Imagine a camper van that is not made only for sleeping, not made only for road trips, and definitely not made for ordinary camping. This is a 4x4 gaming camper van, built for people who want adventure outside and a full dream gaming setup inside. From the outside, it looks like a serious off-road machine with massive tires, roof lights, solar panels, and a rugged expedition body. But the real surprise begins when you open the door. Inside this van is a complete gaming room on wheels. RGB lighting, high-end PC, multiple screens, streaming setup, lounge mode, power backup, satellite internet, and everything needed to game from almost anywhere. Before we enter the van, the exterior deserves a proper look. This is not a normal camper with small wheels and a basic white body. This thing is designed like an expedition vehicle. The lifted suspension gives it more ground clearance. The all-terrain tires are made for mud, rocks, gravel, and snow, and the reinforced bumper adds that serious off-road character. On the roof, you have solar panels for charging the battery system, a satellite internet dish for remote connectivity, and extra LED lights for night driving. The side ladder gives access to the roof, while storage boxes carry camping tools, recovery gear, wires, and outdoor equipment. This van is basically a mobile gaming base camp. The driver cabin feels more like a futuristic command center than a regular van. You get a digital dashboard, navigation screen, camera views, off-road driving modes, and comfortable seats for long journeys. This is important because a van like this is not only about the destination. The journey itself has to be comfortable. When you are driving for hours toward a forest campsite, mountain viewpoint, or desert location, you need proper visibility, stable controls, and smart driving information. The screen can show tire pressure, battery status, road angle, navigation route, and even camera views around the van. It gives the driver confidence, especially when the road disappears and the real adventure begins. As soon as the sliding door opens, the van changes personality. Outside, it is rugged and aggressive. Inside, it becomes clean, comfortable, and futuristic. The interior has warm wood panels, soft ceiling lights, storage cabinets, compact kitchen space, and RGB lighting hidden around the walls and furniture. The layout is small, but it is designed smartly. Every corner has a function, every cabinet has storage, every light adds atmosphere. This is what makes the camper special. It does not feel like a basic van conversion. It feels like a tiny luxury apartment, a gaming studio, and an off-grid adventure vehicle combined into one compact machine. Now this is the main attraction, the dream gaming setup. This is not just a laptop placed on a small table. This is a proper gaming station inside a camper van. There are triple monitors for an immersive setup, a mechanical keyboard, gaming mouse, headset, controller, and an ergonomic chair. The center screen can be used for the main game, while the side screens can show Discord, music, live chat, maps, performance monitoring, or streaming software. The setup is compact, but it still feels serious. For racing games, survival games, open-world RPGs, simulator games, and even competitive multiplayer, this kind of setup completely changes the camper van experience. To run a setup like this, the van needs real hardware power. The gaming PC is compact, but it is designed like a proper desktop system. It has a powerful graphics card, fast storage, strong cooling, RGB fans, and clean cable management. This means the van is not limited to basic gaming. It can handle high settings, video editing, streaming, recording, and content creation. The cooling system is also important because a camper van is a small space. A gaming PC creates heat, especially during long sessions, so proper airflow, ventilation, and temperature monitoring are necessary. This is where the setup becomes more than just beautiful. It becomes practical. This camper is not only for gaming, it can also work as a mobile content creation studio. There is a microphone arm for clean audio, a webcam or camera setup for recording, LED lighting for face cam, and acoustic panels to reduce echo inside the van. Imagine parking beside a lake opening the side door, connecting satellite internet, and starting a live stream from the middle of nature. You can record gameplay, make YouTube videos, edit travel content, stream online matches, or create full van life episodes from the same space. That is the real power of this setup. It is a gaming room, editing room, and studio all in one. A gaming camper van needs two things more than anything else: power and internet. Without power, the PC, monitors, lights, fridge, fans, and charging system are useless. Without internet, online gaming, streaming, uploading, and communication become difficult. That is why this van uses solar panels, a lithium battery bank, a strong inverter, and smart power monitoring. The roof solar panels charge the batteries during the day, while the inverter converts stored power for the gaming setup. For internet, the van uses satellite connectivity, with mobile data as backup where available. It means you can be far from the city and still stay connected. When the desk setup is not needed, the camper turns into a full entertainment lounge. The rear area can work as a sofa during the day and a sleeping space at night. A large screen can be used for console gaming, movies, YouTube, or scene, or watching travel footage after a long drive. This is the more relaxed side of the van. You are no longer sitting at a desk with keyboard and mouse. Now you can grab a controller, lie down, turn on the RGB mood lighting, and play from the bed. After off-road driving, hiking, filming, or traveling all day, this lounge mode makes the camper feel like a small, private, shiny gaming cinema. And this is what makes the ultimate 4x4 gaming camper van so special. It combines freedom, technology, comfort, and entertainment in one machine. You can drive into the mountains, park near a lake, camp in a forest, or disappear into the desert, and still have your dream gaming setup with you. It is not just a camper. It is not just a gaming room. It is a mobile lifestyle for people who want adventure without giving up the things they love. For gamers, creators, travelers, and van life dreamers, this is probably one of the coolest ideas ever. A powerful 4x4 camper van where the world outside is your backyard and the gaming room inside is always ready.